Thank you for taking the time to look at the All-in-One Profits income opportunity. All-in-One Profits has a generous compensation plan based on our Even Up system. This Even Up system is an innovation on the Reverse Up system. AIOP Compensation Plan has the potential to generate an unlimited residual income for everyone. The monthly membership cost is just $10, and we pay back 100% commission to members. You only need one sale. Your first referral will cover the membership fee. Here's how it works. You pass up to your sponsor your even-numbered referrals that join using your link. These are not coming from deep down line, but joining directly through you. You keep for yourself all your uneven or odd-numbered referrals that join with your link. So, you will keep the number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7, and so on, all the uneven numbered referrals that join with your link. We call these your fixed referrals. You will be paid $10 commission for each fixed referral that you introduce to the program. Your number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8, and all your even numbered referrals will be passed up to your upline. The magic begins with all the odd-numbered referrals that you keep as your fixed referrals, as each of them now has to pass his or her even-numbered referrals to you. This is different from other reverse-up systems where you might get 1 or 2 or 4 referrals from your downline. With our system, all the even referrals from your downline are passed up to you. This is really great when it's working deep down in your downline or your power line. You keep all the uneven or odd. They are fixed referrals to you. Your fixed referrals will pass up to you all their even referrals, number 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Now, every referral that is passed to you will also pass to you all his even referrals to infinity, number 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. They all, starting with your fixed referrals and growing with all the even referrals passed to you, will build your downline. This is also called a power line, but no matter what we call it, it is your line, and every fixed referral that you have becomes a new downline. Every number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8, all the even referrals, all the people in your downline will be passed up to you, and we pay you $10 for each and every one. Okay, let's look at an example. To give a clear idea of how the system works, let's assume that you and each of your referrals has just 6 referrals. In reality, that number can grow wide and deep to infinity, and so can your income. The example is also using only 6 of your levels. You'll pass up 3 of your referrals to your sponsor, numbers 2, 4, and 6, and you keep for yourself 3 of your 6 referrals, numbers 1, 3, and 5. This is your level 1. On level 2, you'll have the even referrals passed up to you by your fixed or odd referrals. They're even referrals number 2, 4, and 6. So you've got 3 referrals from each of 3 referrals. Now you have 9. These 9 referrals will in turn pass to you, each of their even referrals. So now you have 9 times 3 is 27. This repeats itself on every level deep to infinity. They will each pass to you their even referrals. In this example, 3. But don't forget that this can grow infinitely wide. With only 3 fixed referrals in this example, your monthly residual income will grow to $10,920. In reality, your income will grow faster because the number of fixed referrals you have is unlimited, growing wide and deep. This even up system is more powerful than any straight line, 2 up or 4 up system ever invented when it comes to growing deep. There is no other system around that can compete with this